Sino ang ibigin? Sino ang ibigin? Familiar faces, ayan. Ikaw na naman, Sarah. Diyos ko ka, dami mong pera. Hindi ka naman nagsisell ng gift, ayan. Hello guys, hi Brixies, Brixans, or any Team Bartagula supporters out there. Mga Nicolas, Waimo fans, and Team Pataba fans. Hello, Team Cebu, Brixans. Yeah. Ayan, sa mga who came from a far place, extra appreciation po. And I hope everyone is safe. Ang dami-dami po nangyari, right? From baha, sa lindol, right? Pero regardless, thank you all for the support. And sana naman talaga, Briggs, happy birthday talaga sa'yo! Di ba? Walang host, ako lang. Ano ba? So,
Kasi ikaw na rin
ay!
Grabe yung super talaga po nakakataban sa Jen Hope. Always a pleasure seeing you on stage. Baka may gusto kang i-promote or any huling habilin kay Vince.
Ang ipopromote ko po ay sarili.
Go ahead! Why not?
Guys,
These people are supporting you.
Hindi. Kontento na ako eh kung ano meron sa akin. You know? I have good friends. Sa totoo lang. Diba? I have good friends and that's all I could ask for. Yes. So yan, keep safe guys. Stay healthy. Okay, appreciate your family and friends, okay? Wala nang team ah. Isa tayo ah.
Grabe sa kapatid ko ha.
No fighting, okay? Tandaan nyo. Fine. Yeah, fine.
Hobe! Jen Hobe! Jen Hobe! Diba? If you are saying that you're really an influencer worth following, once again, give it up for Jen Hobe! Go ahead, please.
Ayan, I just
Bakit
wanna...
daw siya?
Yes. Briggs, I would say si Briggs ay ang pinaka-title para sa kanya is King of Sellout. He sells out everything, di ba? Pati concert, pati products, di ba? Sa totoo lang, sa dami-dami ko na-check out sa kanya, grabe, from Colgate to Old Spice to P&G. Minsan lang female wash na hindi ko alam bakit nandiyan.
Napakundan mo na ang buhay ni Briggs.
Kasi nagmamadali siya add to cart, so minsan napapasama yung mga pang-babae. Wala naman akong dyan. Diba? Basta, that's how we support each other, diba? So, King of Sellout, please stay healthy, okay? That's all I wish for Briggs. And kayo din po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again. Continue supporting Gather Briggs and these people who are supporting him. Okay.